My name is Vanessa Rentier. I'm leading the department Controlling and Business Intelligence at Brussels Airlines. Within our department, we are dealing with all planning processes, being budget, forecast, long-term planning. Brussels Airlines is the leading Belgian airlines offering the widest choice of flights from and to Brussels Airport. We are transporting 6.5 million passengers a year. We have about 80 destinations. When it comes to planning data, we have about 2 billion data combinations when we are doing a budget or a forecast. Before we were using Anaplan, we were using a mix of Excel and SAP BW, with all the disadvantages of Excel being risk of error, inability to work with a group of users on the same data. When we first saw a demo of Anaplan, we really had the feeling this tool will really change drastically our way of working. We were really impressed by the flexibility of the tool. It was really an easy tool, acting real time, allowing to treat a large amount of data. The first success for us with Anaplan is that we have been able to implement really the full scope, being the budget, the forecast and the long-term planning. Secondly, the user community is using actively Anaplan. They are happy about the tool. They are really using the tool on a regular basis. They also recognize the added value of having Anaplan for the planning processes. The last success for us is that we are able really to implement all business changes into Anaplan ourselves. We are mastering the tool, we can change ourselves the rules of the data models that are in the tool, and we really can act rapidly. So when we have to do a simulation, a new forecast, a new budget, for a specific project or for the total company, we are really able to change, to model the system the way we want and to make efficient and fast simulation. Since Anaplan, we cannot imagine going back to the previous setup we had. We are extremely satisfied about the tool and about the choice we made. Often on a daily basis when we are working with Anaplan, we are wondering how we would have done this without Anaplan. We know that we can do even more with Anaplan and we are really looking forward to it. My name is Vanessa Rentier. I'm responsible for controlling and business intelligence within Brussels Airlines. And with Anaplan we have found the perfect partner.